Bubby, come on. Get up here. I swear, if you make me go in that river to get you out, I'm gonna be so mad. Come on. Blue. Come on. Yep, come on. You better figure it out. You got yourself in, get yourself out. Come on, let's go. Come on. You freaking idiot, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come. Come on. Good boy. Let's go. Come on. Blue, I can't help you. It's too deep. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Good boy. I just went in there to try to save him, and my leg, all the way up to my hip, went down in that hole. Do not go back down there, Blue. Anyways, that was extremely eventful. Gotta love Aussies. Don't even think about going in that river. Come. Lay down. You're in a little timeout, kid. I told Blue not to go in that river several times, and he still went in, so. If you're gonna be dumb, you better be tough. Anyways. Hey guys, we're still thriving. It's been a while since I filmed. It probably is only a couple days since you guys have had a video, or maybe even less than that, maybe more, I don't know. But I know it's only been a few. If you saw our last video, then you know that we are back in Rue full time. How exciting. Oh my gosh, just like the old days. We never thought we'd get here, and here we are. I'm really pumped. There was a lot of things that like went into that decision, and I'll get to that. I'm kind of gonna like tell you about it as I pack up Rue. Not pack them up, but clean them out, because Rue's messy. You know how it goes. My car is such a mess because, well, there's a few reasons, but mainly I took a little break from car camping for a weekend, and I went turkey hunting with a friend of mine. And which sounds random for me, but it was actually like one of my favorite weekends like of my entire life. Like all I want to do is turkey hunt now, and I'm so excited the next time that I go to bring the vlog with me and like show you guys what the actual experience is like, because it's like chef's kiss. Like perfect, amazing. Oh my god, I would do it every day of my life if I could. It was so cool. It was so cool. But I was just hanging out with my friend that I hadn't seen in a year and a half, so I wasn't like trying to be in everybody's face with like the camera and be like, we're taking video. You know what I mean? Like I'll do that later. I just wanted to like enjoy a few days with them. So I did. But I had to take all of my stuff out of my car, move it into my friend's truck so that we could go on the trip. And then like when we came back, I just shoved everything in Rue, which is my natural tendency when I'm in a rush. Which is not great, but it's what I do sometimes. So Rue's all over the place, and now I've got hunting gear with me, which I haven't had before, obviously, and so I don't have a home for it, so I need to go put that in my roof rack till next time I can hunt. And what else? I got a new drone, which is very exciting, and it's like really tiny, so it doesn't take up much space, but that doesn't have a home either, and you guys know everything has to have a place, or this doesn't flow well. So pretty much I'm just gonna start organizing Rue and chit chat to you guys about the plans. I don't know. You know, this is just a chit chat. How's it been going type of video, okay? Anyways, I got a few clips from when I was turkey hunting. It's not anything cohesive, but it's just kind of what I got. So I'm just gonna throw this in here so you can see the vibes, if you will. real quick. We'll get the after. Wow, Rue's cooking. It's toasty. Okay, what do I want to do? Put all the hunting gear away first? I guess so. Come on, roof rack. Alright, which tote are you? What's in you? Can you fit hunting gear or not? No, you can't. Because you... Well, maybe. Get all these waters out of here. Cowabunga blue, watch out below. Those can all go in the cooler. I also need to get all of my stuff organized because eventually I'm going to need to give you guys an updated car tour. Since we're living out of Rue now, it looks a little different. You guys, I'm a hunter now. I didn't even hunt when I was on that trip. I just watched and took pictures, but oh my gosh, I'm a hunter at heart now. Lou, do you want to turn into a bird dog? Or what, dude? All right. Please fit. Cool. Works for me. You guys, look how teeny tiny this drone is. I don't know if you guys remember Convict, my big Phantom 4, but that sucker was huge. That's what took up a whole backpack. This is like I could just throw this in my pocket. Literally, I could put this in my coat pocket. Tiny. Nuts. Kind of works out for us, huh? Not having much space. Bubby, I can't believe he jumped into that river. He did not fall in, by the way, you guys. He voluntarily nosedived into the river. He's a water dog. He loves water. Blue, you gotta stay away. No swimming. When I was car camping, like everything you just saw, all the previous videos, I was just going kinda for fun. To see how it went. No, don't do this to me. Yeah. I forgot how much I loved it. Like seriously, like this is so me in my element. Like this is like what I want to do every day for the rest of my life. And I think not having the opportunity to do it like during COVID and the shutdown was like, I don't know, I just kind of didn't really think about it. So being back on the road for 2 weeks was like very eye-opening for me. And I kind of just decided in the middle of it, after a bunch of you guys asked me if I could please go back to doing this full time and traveling to all different places, that maybe I should try to figure out how to do that. So while I was in the middle of car camping in the UP, I literally made it work. Figured out how to do everything from the road. I wasn't necessarily planning on going back on the road full time at first, and then the more that I thought about it in my head and like got excited about going, went on the camping trip, interacted with all of you guys, was creating content again, I was like, oh, this is exactly what I need to be doing. Figured everything out so that I could be doing this from the road again, because I did have responsibilities at home, but it's like, you gotta do what you gotta do. Roman Reckless needs to come back. And I didn't want to have to be sporadic with posting or like only car camp on the weekends. Like I just want to car camp all the time. There's still places I want to see and do. I've had a couple people DM me and be like, are you going to do the 50 state road trip again? Because I hadn't vlogged in every single state, even though I went to some of them. Right now, that's not really my plan. Like, I don't want to have like a task list. Like, I have to go to this state. I have to go to this state. I have to go to this state. Because I feel like that actually really creatively impairs me. And I feel more pressure to have to create something out of nothing. Or maybe a place where I'm not, like, super excited to be. Or, you know what I mean? So I would rather just go where my little wild heart takes me and bring you guys along for the ride. Because that's honestly probably what I should have done in the first place. But yeah, need to learn some lessons the hard way, you know what I mean? It's the only way I learn anyways. So yeah, I don't really have a plan to go back on a 50 state road trip. I'm just planning on traveling and doing what I do best, which is live in a car with my dog and film stuff. Yeah. And you guys are going to be seeing my friends along the way. It's just going to be more like me. It's going to be more me. Less forced, here's a state. More like, here's what's going on. So I've already got some other trips planned. I've got some more hunting things planned because I'm so excited for that. I've got a friend coming out to meet us within the next month. So there's exciting things in the works that I haven't even like mentioned yet that I'm very, very excited about. But that's all behind the scenes stuff that you guys will get to know eventually. But for now, the big announcement that I'm super excited about is that we're back to doing this full time. That means, I mean, not to say that I won't like ever stop at a home base or, you know, go to my friend's house for a week or something like that. I'm just saying we're back to full-time Roman Reckless, which is, I'm so tired right now, but I'm actually really, really, really pumped. I'm just that turkey hunting trip took like everything out of me. Oh my gosh, we all got like 2 hours of sleep and I was just not prepared to be. I just need to prepare better next time. But anyways, so I don't know if this video even made sense. I just felt like I just felt like I needed to come back and chat, and also I hadn't filmed in a week, so I felt like I needed to get in front of the camera and like get rolling again so that when I go to film 2 videos tomorrow, I'm not like awkwardly, how do I do this again? You guys are like, it's been a week. How did she forget? I don't know. My brain isn't working. It's not on right now, so. I'm very excited to get back to creating and like all of my favorite places around the country and to be traveling with Blue again and to have all this upgraded equipment and like a new drone, and it's just like the sky's the limit, and I'm just so freaking pumped, dude. Oh, even the next like few videos I've got planned, I'm so excited about. So I guess this video was for me to just sit down and tell you that I love turkey hunting and that I'm really excited. And I hope you guys are too. So I'll see you in the next one with a normal full-length fun video that's not me being like this, because I'm gonna go sleep tonight and I'm gonna do better. So alright. I also don't know why I keep picking up the camera in this video. It's like my thing, this video. I just want to pick up the camera and move it. Gosh, look how clean Rue looks. Look at that. Oh, this tripod's crooked. Dang, she organized the whatever. Alright, you guys, we'll see you in the next one, and it's going to be a really fun one. It's going to be really exciting, and you're going to love it, and I'm going to be more energetic. So we'll see you then. Okay, bye.